Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide a slide in Google Slide. So let me open Google Slides. So google.com/slides here. So go to Google Sheets. I have already logged into it. So you just need to log in with your Gmail account. I have created one slide here. Let me open that. So this is the slide I have created already. I have 5 slides here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 slides in this presentation and I just want to hide one slide. So let me hide this third slide. So if you want to hide a slide in Google Slide, it is not completely hiding. It is just skipping. It is just skipping from the presentation. So right click on the slide. So just select the skip slide. So you will get an eye symbol over it. Okay, so once you present it, it won't appear on the presentation. So let me click on present here. We'll see the presentation, how the skip slide will work. So this is slide 1, slide 2, slide 4. See, the slide 3 has skipped and slide 5, exit. So in this manner, you can hide any slide in Google Slides. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.